Hello everyone, this is Rudrakshi. This is my project submission video of SharkTank for the Crio PhonePe Tech Scholar program. So this is the entrepreneur page where any entrepreneur can post a pitch. These are the list of pitch. So by clicking on this button, you can add the sample details like this. By adding the description and the percentage of equity, and here you can add the amount that you need. So here you can see it appears, and from the investor page you can invest by clicking on the invest button. Select the investor and add the amount of equity that the investor want, the amount that he needs to invest, and here is the comment. So here by clicking on the submit button, you will see that it appears below the pitch, and you will get all the list of pitches along with the investors. So I have made the project using a Django REST framework, and I have used the SQLite as the database. So here I have made my model for the entrepreneur, and by adding the details of entrepreneur you can post a pitch, and also you can also post the list of offers by the investors. In the URLs file I have mentioned all my URL patterns. Here in the serializer I have made the serializer which basically convert the Django object into the human readable format. And in the views.py file I have added my main controller code. Also I have made a investor model where you can add the details of the investor to make a counter offer. In the views I have added the post request to create a pitch. I have added the request to get all the pitches. Here is the code to get the single pitch, and here by using the post request you can add the counter offer by the investor, and all the functions are returning the correct HTTP status code. Here my server is also running on the 8081 port, and here this is the Postman doc that I have prepared. So you can also get all the list of pitches by hitting the endpoints. You can also get the single pitch, and you can also make a counter offer and also post a pitch using that. So thank you everyone.